Hello students, welcome back. Class class 12. Today I am discussing a new topic of chart. Last time I have discussed about bar chart. Today I am discussing about histogram chart. Okay? So what is histogram chart? A histogram is a summarization of discrete or continuous data such as weight, height, etc. A histogram provides a visual interpretation of numerical data by showing the number of data points that fall within a specified range of values called bins. Means first we take our data and first we categorize our data, and in we can put our data between in our categories, between our bins. We can also say between our bins. We can also say between our intervals. It is similar to vertical bar graph. However, a histogram, unlike a vertical bar graph, show no gaps between the bars. Okay, so there is no gap between the bars. But in bar chart, between a gap, but in histogram there is no gap. Okay, so I am giving you one example to understand this. Suppose month and cells you can see Jan 5, Feb 4, March 6, April 2, May 7, June 8. But this is a histogram. Means in this histogram chart we only show the frequency of our data. So first we create intervals, we can say bins, we can say category. Okay. So you can see this, we must have a numerical column. So cells you can see this is our numerical column. Okay, so what is the minimum value? You can see minimum value in a 2. What is the maximum value? You can say 8. All the value between 2 to 8. So we can create a fixed number of interval. Okay, so you can see here I am decide 2 to 5. Okay, so here I am decide 2 to 5. Then I am decide 5 to 8. Okay, so you can see beans 2 to 5 only two values. Okay, only two values. And between 5 to 8 only you can see in the cells only four values, so total 6. Okay, so you can see between 2 to 5 three gaps, and 5 to 8 between three gaps. So here fixed number of gap. Okay, so you can see beans 2 to 5 2 and 5 to 8 4. So this is our data finally, and based on this data we can create histogram chart, because in this histogram we only show the frequency. So you can see in the chart between 2 to 5 and cells frequency is 2, and 5 to 8 cells frequency is 4. You can see according to this table, our bin frequency table. But I want to convert into chart. So here I am using import pandas spd. Okay, and import matplotlib.pyplot splt. Okay, so first we convert into data frame. We already know. Then we can use hist function. We must use hist function. Here hist function is important. Okay, for a bar chart we can use bar, for line chart we can use line, for hist function we can use hist, because in histogram we need a numerical column only. So here I am using x cells. Okay, this data have only all the cells value, but I want to create a fixed number of interval. So here I am using beans. Okay, beans. So first beans is equal to, in square bracket, 2 to 5. You can see this table. and 5 to 8. So here in this style we can write 2 to 5 and 5 comma 8. Okay, in this range all the values we can put 2 to 5 and 5 to 8 cells, the number of cells. Then we can use title, we can use X label, we can use Y label. Okay, title is simple histogram chart of sales of 2016. X label we can use sales bin or interval by 3, sales frequency value you can see, and legend we can use sales frequency location based, and we can save this chart in D drive. His chart, or last we can use plt.show. So plt.title, X label, Y label, legend, save fig, and plt.show. This is a common coding we can use in every chart. Okay, so you can see this is our output. Now okay, same program, but I want to category fixed number of gave 2. Last time here you can see 3 values interval 2 to 5, 5 to 8. Here I want same program, same data, but I want to give between 2 values. So you can see 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. So we can also control our interval, okay, according to our choice. So here 2 to 4 only one value, 4 to 6 only 2 values, and 6 to 8 only 3 values in our cells. Okay, so same program but 2 values interval. So you can see 2 to 4 only 1 in the chart, you can say 2 to 4 only 1, 4 to 6 only 2, and 6 to 8 you can see in the diagram only 3. Okay student, same program, last program I want to copy and paste, only one change. Only one change. Here bins is equal to 2 comma 4, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 8. So we can say 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Nothing to change. Okay, last time three values gave 2 to 5, 5 to 8. Here I am using 2 values gave 2 to 4, 6 to 8. Okay, 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, and same thing you can see. Okay, so same program we can convert into 2 values gave frequency and 3 values gave frequency. Okay, so here new thing is we must use haste and bins. Bins means in our language we can say intervals, we can say categories, or we must have a numerical column name. Okay, first we decide minimum value, then we decide maximum value, and then we can categorize between small ranges, and then we can use bins in our chart. Okay students, so you can see now same program, here I am using same program, but this is our vertical bars, but this is our horizontal bars. Okay, this is our horizontal bars. Okay, same program you can see, but here I am changing one thing. Here I am using orientation is equal to horizontal, only one change. In last program same code you can see as it is, but here I am adding new thing. Horizontal is orientation is equal to horizontal. Okay, so you can see same program but rotate. This program, this chart will rotate in this style, you can see. Nothing to change, but this is our horizontal form. Okay, all the category you can see OY axis, all the cells in our OX axis. Okay, because here I am changing only the orientation. This is horizontal orientation and nothing to change. And here you can see 2 values interval 2 to 6, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Okay students, so you can understand in histogram new thing is there is no gap between bars. One thing, here I am using hist function. Okay, in this chart we must need a numerical column. Next, in a numerical column first we decide what is the minimum, what is the maximum value, then we can categorize, then we will make interval 2 values interval, 3 value interval, 4 value interval according to our choice. Then we can use bins is equal to, and we can put our all intervals. Okay, If you want to show this chart in our horizontal form, you need one need parameter, orientation is equal to horizontal. Okay, otherwise plt dot title, plt dot x label, plt dot y label, legend and say figure, plt dot show. This is a common code we can use in and every chart, in line chart, bar chart. So this is a common thing. So only one thing keep in mind: for line chart plt dot plot, for bar chart plt dot bar, for histogram फिर plt dot hist. And you must keep in mind the syntax. Okay, so you can see the what is the syntax of histogram. Hist, column name, bin is equal to range, we already discussed. Orientation we already discussed. Here r width, hist type, cumulative we will discuss later. Okay students, thank you so much.